This is every LEGO Icon set that will be retiring by the end of this year. Let's talk about it. G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be discussing every single LEGO Icons / Creator Expert set that will be retiring by the end of this year. Now this is obviously the time of recording in January, so this is all subject to change. LEGO can push back and retire things earlier if they wish, but this all this is coming from Brick Fanatics, just so you do know. I'll leave a link for this page down below so you can check it out yourself and check out all the other themes of sets that are retiring. But these are the LEGO Icons and Creator Expert sets that will be retiring at the moment at the end of this year. So let's get into it. So the first one is going to be the Assembly Square, so obviously a part of the modular range of LEGO sets, set number 10255, and this one has 4,002 pieces. This one has been out for a good chunk of time, so it is pretty much about time that it does retire. So that one will be gone. Also, there is quite a few of these, so I'm not really going to be doing a little investment review if I'm buying them or not. It is too early to tell. I've still got more research to do on these individual sets. But if you would like individual videos on any of these sets, doing like a little investment review, going over the different signs and stuff we look out for a good investment, leave a comment down below saying which set and like investment review please, and I will get that out. We do have the Ford Mustang next, set number 10265, 1,471 pieces, so this one will be going as well. Then we do have the NASA Apollo Lunar Lander, set number 10266, 1,087 pieces. This set was actually supposed to retire the end of last year, but they did push it back another 12 months and it is now retiring at the end of this year. Next, similar story to the Bookshop as well. We thought that this one was going to be retiring last year, but it obviously did get a price increase and it has been pushed out for another 12 months. But set number 10270, 2,504 pieces. Then we do have the Haunted House. So this set was actually in the rumor, along with a few others, to be retiring at the end of last year. There was a few different sources that were saying, oh yeah, it could be retiring. I did do a video about it and a few other sets. Obviously it didn't come true, so majority of the factual information is going to come from Brick Fanatics. But anyway, Haunted House, set number 10273, 3,231 pieces. This one will be retiring at the end of the year. Same with the Colosseum, 10276 is the set number, and 9,036 pieces. A really big set and really expensive set. Then we do have a couple of the floral arrangement sets that will be retiring. The first lot, the Flower Bouquet is the first one to go, set number 10280, 756 pieces. Then we have the Bird of Paradise, set number 10289, 1,173 pieces for that sucker. The pickup truck is another one that will be retiring, 10290, 1,677 pieces. This one seems to be flying under the radar a bit. I haven't heard anybody talking about this set, but I haven't done any to really much research on this set at all if I'm going to be buying them. I don't have any at the moment, but I'll do some research and we'll see. Then we do have the Friends Apartment, set number 10292, 2,048 pieces. For this one, I again haven't done too much research, but I probably will be staying away from that one. Santa's Visit, we do have 10293, set number 1,444 pieces. Obviously they do retire one of these every single year, as they bring one out every single year. So that one will be the one that is going. Then we do have the Real Madrid, the Bernabeu Stadium, set number 10299, 5,876 pieces. Keep an eye on, obviously, the couple of stadiums that have just retired at the end of last year. See how they go, see how they track. I don't reckon that they will do overly well. I'll probably be staying away from it, but see how they go before making a purchase into this one if you're thinking of investing in it. Then we do have the Atari 2600, set number 10306, 2,532 pieces. That one will be going. Then we do have the Galaxy Explorer. Obviously this one came out last year, so not an overly long shelf life for this sucker. Set number 10497, 1,254 pieces for that one. We do have the Everyone is Awesome set number 40516, 346 pieces with 11 different minifigures. This one is actually pretty popular, I do believe, so keep your eye on that one. And this one here, I'm going to make an individual video talking about this one, but it is the Horizon Forbidden West, the Tallneck, set number 76989, 1,222 pieces. This one's pretty tricky to get here in Australia at least, so this is definitely one to keep an eye out and to do some research on. But as I said, I am going to be making an individual video on the Tallneck set, a little bit of an investment review to let you guys know. But as I said, I'll leave a link for Brick Fanatics, their retiring list, down below, so you guys can check out obviously these sets and all the other themes retiring that are scheduled to be retiring by the end of this year. Again, could change. Now, as I said, investment purposes, if you want me to do investment review on any of them, or breakdown kind of what ones I will be on my hit list, let me know and I'll pump that video out for you guys. But if you did enjoy the video, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.